Today, we're diving into the Adaptec 1822300R39160 Ultra160 SCSI controller card kit, a classic hardware interface designed to elevate your SCSI experience. With its robust build and seamless compatibility, this card is tailored for those seeking a reliable solution in the realm of SCSI technology. Let's talk performance. The Ultra160 SCSI interface sets the stage for lightning-fast data transfer rates, ensuring your workflow remains smooth and efficient. Whether you're handling large files or running intensive applications, this controller card delivers the speed and reliability you need to stay ahead. But it's not just about speed, compatibility is key. The Adaptec 39160 is built to support a wide range of devices, making it a versatile addition to any setup. From vintage systems to modern workstations, this card seamlessly integrates into your environment, offering unparalleled flexibility and convenience. And let's not forget about durability. Adaptec is known for its commitment to quality, and the 39160 is no exception. With its sturdy construction and proven reliability, you can trust this card to perform day in and day out, even under the most demanding conditions. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the operating system. While the 39160 is optimized for DOS environments, it's worth noting that it may not be the ideal choice for all users. However, with the right configuration and software, you can maximize its potential and unlock a world of possibilities. In conclusion, the Adaptec 1822300R39160 Ultra160 SCSI controller card kit is a powerhouse of performance, compatibility, and durability. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a professional seeking top-tier performance, this card is sure to impress. So why wait? Elevate your SCSI experience today with the Adaptec 39160. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.